Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change ID hotspot on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Alright guys, so to make it easier for your friends to identify your hotspot ID, you need to change your ID hotspot to a name that is easily recognized. So how to do that, I will show you how. Okay guys, so first thing first that you have to do is you have to go to settings menu of your phone. And after that, you can scroll a little bit and you can go to hotspot and tethering. And over here, you can go to hotspot settings over there. And then here you can change the name of your hotspot. So here I want to type my name to easier to my friend to recognize that this is my hotspot. Okay, when you're finished, click OK, and then you can checklist. So yeah guys, the ID hotspot will change immediately. Alright guys, so it's easy, right? And here's the tutorial on how to change ID hotspot on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.